Hey everybody, it's Lon Seibin. Time for another unboxing. This came in from Lenovo the other day on loan. It is the IdeaPad 730S or the S730, depending on what part of the world you're in. This laptop came in on loan from Lenovo, so when we're done with this, it goes back to them. They are not paying for this unboxing, nor are they reviewing or approving this unboxing video before it gets uploaded. And of course, we'll have a full review of this coming soon on my main channel at lon.tv. Now, this is a thin and light Ultrabook. Weighs about 2.5 pounds, just under that at 2.43 pounds or 1.1 kilograms. Has an i5 processor, an 8265U. That is a quad-core chip, the 8th generation Intel chip. And it really feels pretty nice. I really like the way it feels. Nice metal design here, pretty lightweight and thin. It is powered by a fan for cooling it, and there are vents here underneath, but they also say it draws in air through the keys as well. So we'll try to see how the fan noise is on this one. They say their cooling system makes it a little quieter than other ones. The webcam is up there as well, so you don't have one of those little webcams at the bottom, but you still have pretty thin bezels on it. And like I said, it feels pretty nice. Now, for connectivity on this one, it looks like we've got a USB Type-C port here for power, headphone microphone jack there. And then on the other side, my favorite kind of ports, 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports. And we'll do a test to see exactly what all of these ports can do, like whether or not you can do power delivery through the Thunderbolt, for example. And we'll also explore how many lanes there are on these Thunderbolt ports. This will be a good target for using an eGPU if you want to do something like that. This is a 13-inch laptop. It's got a 1080p display on it. This one has 8 gigs of RAM and a 256 gigabyte SSD. You can swap out the SSD. It's an NVMe drive, but the RAM is soldered on there, so you can't do any RAM swaps with these. And then we got the power adapter here. This is the Lenovo 65-watt power adapter. It is USB Type-C, as you saw before. Safety and warranty guide here, and that is it for the unboxing. So what we're going to do is get this thing booted up and start running our usual barrage of tests on it. And we'll have a full review coming soon on the main channel at lon.tv, so stay tuned.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold level supporters Chris Allegretta, the 4 Guys with Quarters podcast, Tom Albrecht, Anuj Zaveri, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.